So guys, once you're on Facebook on mobile, in the top left, you want to click on the three lines. And now you want to scroll down and then click on Settings and Privacy. Now you want to select See More in Account Center. And now this will come up, the Facebook Account Center. You want to scroll down and then select Manage Accounts. You want to choose the Facebook account that you want to delete. You can also delete your Instagram account through here as well if you want to. But I'm going to delete my Facebook account. I'm going to click on Manage. Now you want to select Deactivation or Deletion. You can now choose to either deactivate or to delete your account. I want to permanently delete my account, so I'm going to click on Delete Account right here and then click on Continue. If you have any Facebook pages linked to your account, it's also going to delete that as well. If you want to continue, then click on Continue. Just select any option. I'm just going to say, I no longer find Facebook useful, and then continue. Just go through these steps. I'm going to continue. You can read through all of this. I'm going to scroll down and continue. You want to type in your password, continue. It will then delete your account. That's how you do it.